Hello and good day. Today I want to give you my thoughts on practicing the drums on pillows because the internet needs more people's opinions. When I started playing the drums, I was given the advice that as well as practicing on drums on a practice pad, get the biggest sticks you can find and practice your rudiments on a pillow. That's a big pillow. The thinking being that there's little to no rebound on the pillow, so that when you actually play on a drum set and use proper technique at letting the stick rebound, the extra rebound will help you. It's much like resistance training, like a runner will run in a swimming pool full of water for resistance. So therefore, when they get out of the pool, it feels much easier to run. I don't necessarily think that's a bad idea. I think it's worth trying. But the reason I'm here is to say, no matter what you play on the drums, you want to avoid excess tension. You always want to stay loose and relaxed, play with proper technique. Especially playing on something with no rebound, there's the tendency to grip a little tighter because you have to work harder. So even though there's no rebound, stay loose and relaxed when you play. I've heard pushback, and I've said this myself, people say the best way to practice playing the drums is to practice on a drum set, because this is what you're practicing playing for. Much like a guitar player, if you want to learn to play the guitar, you practice on a guitar. That makes sense. So I definitely would agree with that, but I don't necessarily feel that there's anything wrong with practicing on pillows or a practice pad part of the time for certain reasons. I mean, when I got started, I didn't have a drum set to practice on. I did have a practice pad, but I also did practice on pillows. So anyway, that's the whole takeaway. No excess tension.